Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to an episode of Great Locks. I'm Gunther the Great, and today we're going to be doing something super different. I don't think I've done it ever before, maybe on my main channel, but today we're going to be reviewing waivers. If you guys haven't already, make sure to go follow the Great Locks Instagram page. It's right here. If you want to be featured on the page, make sure to tag Great Locks so you can be featured, guys. Great Locks is solely for people with dreadlocks, and like I said, I still want to hear you guys' comments down below if you want me to create a waving page. So this is for all waivers. It's because I have waves now and I'm not sure how long I'm going to keep them, but I do plan on keeping them for a while. Like after I got them, I'm like, man, I would actually want to like develop them and make them look really good. So we'll see how that goes, but please comment down below if you guys want me to create a waivers page for everyone who has waves. Thanks for following the Great Locks Instagram page. And then now let's just head over to top waivers. This is what I'm going to be looking at to see whose waves we're going to be reviewing today. It just makes it a whole lot easier versus trying to find people on Instagram. So if you're not already following top waivers and you have waves, they have a lot of really dope waivers on here. I think you just call people waivers if they have waves. Anyway, let's just get straight into it. I have my do-rag on today because I'm trying to like hide my waves while I'm shooting videos. You can like see them. I'm spinning under here, guys. I'm dipping. I don't care what anybody says. Dipping is the new word for waves. All right, so let's take a look. So this person is using a toothbrush to brush their crown, even though it's called a calic. I know, but it is a crown. That's what they call it. And this is probably one of the hardest things to do, is to define your crown area, because his looks really nice. And I feel like mine looks nice too. And that's one thing I want to try too, is using the plastic bag method. I think it just helps with laying everything down, but sheesh, his connections are really nice. And stuff like this just takes a lot of time. To me, that just looks really cool. I just want to make my waves look as best possible, and it's really cool seeing people's waves because then they just look really good. One thing that I have noticed is people with different hair textures, like this guy's hair texture is different than the first one we've seen. I feel like all of them look really cool. They're all different styles. I would say they're all different wavelengths. And you can tell the different wavelength based on how tight the waves are together. And that's how you tell the curl pattern as well, but we're not gonna get into that today. Maybe I'll just say the curl pattern just to throw that in there as well. Him, I would say that his hair type is most likely maybe a 4A, maybe not even that much, maybe like maybe a 3C, but could be a 4A. I've seen these. It's like, I think bleached or dyed waves look really cool as well. I think 360 Jeezy at one point had red waves, and yeah, that's really cool. And I think another thing as well is one thing that I've noticed is like, man, I kind of want to go with 360 waves now because they just look so much cooler. There's so much more that goes into it, I feel like. And obviously I feel like it's gonna be more work. It's pretty cool how it's in like an ancient hairstyle, because all it really is laying down your curls. So if you have curls, you can have waves. Someone said that I have straight hair waves the other day. I mean, is that what they call it? Because my hair is not straight, but I do have waves. These look really clean. I like ones that are super deep, like, you know, you can see the waves, you know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like those look really cool. And that's usually with a looser curl pattern. Like his curl pattern's a little more loose. I feel like me and him have the same curl pattern. To be honest, I think that over time the waves get deeper the longer they are, and it just comes from woofing, I believe. Trust me, guys, I may be super wrong on a lot of things that I'm saying because I've only been in this for maybe 2 weeks, but these look clean. These look like mine. Like, I feel like me and him have the same hair texture, and people will call that, I think, straight hair waves, which to me it's not straight hair, it's curly. But my hair is really long right now, so I'm thinking if I actually were to trim my hair, because I feel like I'm at like a woofing length, I think you would call my hair probably about maybe like 2 months of woofing, probably, because I didn't scalp when I cut my hair to get waves. This is so true. See, I think bleached waves look nice. I want to find some good ones. Oh, look at this. Nah, this is fake. Hold up. Or it's probably real. Like, it's probably just a face app though. See, look at these. That looks pretty clean. Like with the red, it just does something different. And with my hair, if you guys have noticed on my main channel, my hair is actually a different hair color than my natural hair color because I dyed my hair before I actually cut it. It kind of comes through. My hair is like a weird, like copper tone in some areas. What? I didn't even know I was featured on here. Hold up. Hey guys, I made it on top waivers. I didn't even notice. That's crazy. I'ma like that. This guy has some really dope waves. Look at these. And I think, like I said, once I trim my hair on top, the waves are gonna be tighter. With my curls being longer, it's gonna elongate the curl, I believe. And if my hair is a little shorter, I feel like the waves are gonna be a little more tight. See, like this is what they would call straight hair waves, but he does have a little bit of curl to it. He's been woofing for a while, it looks like. It's crazy when people woof. For anybody who doesn't know, like say you have dreadlocks and you're watching this video, woofing is pretty much just growing out your hair and brushing and wearing a do-rag and not cutting it, just allowing your waves to develop and then cutting it later. Now, I don't necessarily know the benefits of woofing, but if you guys could please let me know down below, that'd be great. I haven't watched a whole lot of videos, but I know kind of the generalized things of waves. These look really cool. And this is just from washing the hair. And I think when I wash my hair, I think it looks cool as well. Like, I think it's a cool experience. I've actually only washed my waves once, and I'm not sure how often I should actually wash my hair. I'll most likely wash it again tomorrow. But overall, yo, I'm still stoked that I actually made it on the top wavers page. I made it on 2 wave pages so far. And sometimes I don't notice just because of all the notifications I already get. All right, let's find someone who's dipping. Wait a minute. See, like these, they're super deep. Obviously the connections aren't there, and this is kind of just what I've been dealing with too, just trying to get my connections nice. And it just comes with time, I'm sure. I'm ready to trim my hair, to be honest. So stay tuned for that when I actually drop that video. Hey, it's Michael B. Jordan. With super curly hair, like tight curl patterns like his, he probably has like a 4B hair type. With him, you can have your hair super short and your waves will still come through. With longer hair, you need your waves, or you need your hair to be a little longer when your hair isn't as curly or tight of a curl pattern in order for the waves to show, because there's different wavelengths. Oh snap, I didn't even know this was possible. Hold up. I feel like these are so nice too. Is it called, correct me if I'm wrong, is this like a beehive? I think I've heard 360G's say beehive somewhere on one of these videos. Look at these. Now these are clean. And it does look really good once you have a fade as well. When you have a clean fade with it, it looks very clean. I remember I did reviews on these, like half dreads, half waves, and a lot of people actually hate on these. To me, I think it's really cool. It's very different. It's very diverse. You don't really see people with this hairstyle. And to me, I think it's very cool. I mean, if you want to have your hair like that, then go for it. Oh, this is gonna be really cool. This is when it's really revealed, when you've been woofing for a really long time and your waves aren't even coming through. And then you get your hair cut and boom, that looks clean. And that's one thing that I think I'm running into right now. With my hair being so long, I'm not really seeing the progression of my waves as much. I'm just constantly doing what like you're supposed to do in order to get waves, like brushing and combing, make sure it's detangled. And at the same time laying it down, using the right products. And especially since I got, you know, all these products from Wavy Merch, it's helped out a whole bunch. Got a bald spot? Oh no, watch. He's gonna get a bald spot. Oh! That's bad. All right, let's see. What do we got? What's that on the back of his head? Is that for like extra pressure or something? Can y'all please let me know? I need information. These look clean. That's just a dope picture overall. I like these kind of waves too, to where it's like a low, I don't know what you call that. It's like some sort of taper, it has to be, but I think that's what I want to actually try to do. I know Poppy Blasted has this haircut, but that's something that I'd actually consider doing. This is a clean fade as well. Very interesting. It's called like a burst taper. Very clean. Here we go. I feel like this guy has actual blonde hair that's not even dyed. See, that's dope. I think it's really cool, in my opinion, seeing people that you wouldn't expect to have waves. All right, here we go. I think this is gonna be like a fade or something. Like, that's crazy, seeing it just pop up from combing. And the real cool thing is like, since his hair is already trained, once they cut it and give it a fade, it's already trained, so it's gonna look nice. See how it's coming through, and it looks very, I guess you could say like silky or something. Looks really clean. Once the lineup gets in too, sheesh. See, that was a 20-week woof. Let's see what it looks like after everything. Looks clean. I think these are always cool, just like seeing like the washing process, because you can really see the waves a whole bunch. And guys, like I said, I've only been in this for about 2 weeks. I'm learning, and I'm just excited to actually learn more about them and learn how to like improve them and keep on improving them, because Nick Wavy sent me out some stuff that I don't even know how to use it. It's gonna be interesting to see how to use it. I have to learn a lot. Let's see one more cool one. See, these are red. Oh, this is clean. Yeah, I think waves are cool, and I think they're really suitable for anybody. You just got to like get used to it. I think the biggest thing is yourself getting used to yourself having waves or having short hair if you haven't had short hair for a while. But you guys, it's really cool reviewing everyone's waves. Make sure, like I said, to go follow the Great Locks page, and please comment down below if you want me to start a waivers page, and I definitely will. Comment down below what you guys would like to see next. If you want to see more of these wave checks, please let me know down below. My phone's blowing up. You guys probably hear it all the time. But anyway, other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.